Welcome boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. It's me Vichy Kevin. You're watching One Step YouTube channel, and if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And without any further ado, let's get into the video, which is on how you guys can log in into Standard Chartered Bank. Alright, for those people who do not know Standard Chartered Bank is a British multinational bank and a financial service company whose headquarters is located at London. Alright, so basically it provides a lot of services to you guys. If you guys have account in this bank, you guys are gonna get like a high interest rate and like a mortgage and loan and various other facilities. You can visit the official website to know more about this bank and to know about this facility. But this video is on how you guys can log in into it. So let's get into the video. Alright, so basically what you want to do is you want to go to your search engine and search for Standard Chartered Bank. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says Standard Chartered Bank over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Standard Chartered Bank. Once you're over here, you just want to click on where it says login. Once you click on login, you want to choose on where it says online banking because you want to log in into your online bank account. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can log in into your account. But once you're over here in this page, you just want to enter your username over here. After you enter your username, you want to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you just want to click on login. And if the username and password you enter here is correct, you should be able to log in into your account. And if you forgot your username or your password of your account, then you guys can just click on where it says forget username and password to recover your account as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into Standard Chartered Bank. Hope you guys are able to understand the video. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.